If this video is on your screen right now, you need to hear this. Not tomorrow, not later, right now. Because the pace of your life is about to change in a way you were not expecting. And honestly, you might not even feel ready for it. The universe isn't asking if you are prepared. It's telling you it's time. There's a reason you have been feeling pulled towards new things, craving change, craving movement, craving something that feels more aligned than what you have had to settle for. And there's a reason your old reality has started feeling too small for you. That's not boredom, that's expansion, that's acceleration. And no matter how slow things have felt, no matter how much waiting you have had to sit through, no matter how many delays, frustrations, or what is happening with my life, those kind of moments you have had, the energy around you is picking up speed. You are stepping into the fastest chapter of your life so far. Faster opportunities, faster manifestations, faster clarity, faster breakthroughs. Before I show you how to anchor this shift, type "I am pure magnetic" in the comments. That one physical action tells your subconscious that you are choosing alignment instead of doubt. Hit subscribe if you haven't, and come back in few weeks to tell me how the scene played out for you. I will be here. Now listen closely, okay? You might think acceleration means chaos. You might think things are about to get very overwhelming. But here's the truth. When the universe speeds up your life, it's not to stress you. It's because you have already outgrown what you are leaving behind. Think about it. The last few months have felt heavy because you were being slowed down on purpose. You needed certain lessons. You needed certain realizations. You needed certain perspectives. And at the time, it felt like nothing was moving. Like you were stuck. Like life was on pause. But pauses are not punishment. They are preparation. The universe slows you down right before it shifts you forward. Just like the moment before a slingshot release, the pullback is uncomfortable, okay? But the launch is unstoppable. And your launch window is opening now. Here are the first signs that acceleration has already begun for you. Watch closely. First, you have been losing patience with things you used to tolerate. This isn't anger. This is clarity. You are realizing what no longer fits into your next chapter. Then second, random moments of deja vu or "I have felt this before." When timelines speed up, you become more sensitive to energetic hints. Then third, you keep seeing repeating numbers, especially 111, 222 or 555. These are acceleration codes. They show up right before momentum kicks in. Then fourth, you are getting tired out of nowhere. Like your body is rebooting. Because it is. Your nervous system is preparing for more movement and less stagnancy. Then fifth, people from the past are suddenly resurfacing or thinking about you. Acceleration activates unfinished energetic loops. Some need closure, some need to fall away, some needed to witness your glow up. If you are nodding right now in your head or even just feeling like this is speaking to you, then you are in it. You're not imagining this shift. Beautiful, you are not imagining the signs. Something is rearranging around you, and it's rearranging fast. Let me tell you what this acceleration actually looks like in real life. It looks like opportunities that suddenly fall into your lap. It looks like connections forming out of nowhere. It looks like clarity hitting you in one moment instead of months of overthinking. It looks like a feeling of This is what I've been waiting for. It looks like your manifestations showing tiny hints before they become physical. Momentum does not start loud. You need to know this. It starts subtle. Then it gets obvious. Then it gets undeniable. And you are right in the subtle to obvious phase. But here's the part most people miss, and this is where your life actually changes. When your life speeds up, you cannot cling to old slowness. You cannot hold on to old routines and expect new results. You cannot hold on to old doubts and expect new blessings. You cannot hold on to old versions of yourself and expect new opportunities. Acceleration demands alignment. So let me guide you through what this chapter needs from you. First, stop doubting yourself. Okay, stop doubting yourself. When momentum kicks in, self-doubt becomes the biggest block. If your mind is still in fear mode while your energy is in expansion mode, you will feel torn. You will feel tired. You will feel confused. That's why clarity is hitting you now. Trust it. Second, stop shrinking your desires to match your past. The version of you that thought small is not the version entering in this new phase. Allow bigger thoughts, allow bigger dreams, allow a bigger future. You're not being unrealistic, you are being updated. Third, listen to your body. Acceleration is physical too. You might feel more sensitive, more emotional, more intuitive, okay? Don't fight it. Do not fight it. It is a sign your field is clearing, making room for influx, opportunities, attention, abundance. Fourth, don't over-explain your decisions right now. People who are not experiencing this shift won't understand it. They will try to slow you down because they feel slow. Protect your momentum. Then fifth, say yes to the things that excite you. This is important. Not everything, just the things that activate your inner warmth. That warmth is guidance. Now, here's the part you need to understand. Acceleration does not bring random blessings. It brings the blessings you have been aligned with but delayed from receiving. Everything coming in the next 3 to 6 weeks is connected to intentions you have had for months or maybe years. And the reason it's all coming at once is because you are finally ready. Ready mentally, ready emotionally, ready energetically, ready consciously. You're not desperate anymore. You're not settling anymore. You're not chasing anymore. And you are certainly not begging the universe anymore. You are aligned. You are receptive. You are magnetic. Okay, you have upgraded before. You have updated. You have upgraded without even realizing it. And because of that, your reality is catching up. Let me give you a quick visual. Imagine your life as a river. For a long time, you were stuck in a slow bend, the water barely moving, everything feeling still. But the river didn't stop. It was curving. And right after a curve, the water rushes faster. You are at the rush point. This is why everything is shifting. Why people are acting different. Why your intuition is louder. Why your dreams feel closer. Why the air feels energetically heavy but exciting. Why you feel like something big is about to happen. Because it is. Because beautiful it is. And I want to leave you with this. Acceleration is uncomfortable at first. Not because life is getting harder, but because life is preparing to get easier. You're shedding old versions of yourself so fast that you barely have time to process them. But trust the shedding. trust the speed, trust the feeling, trust the timing. And if you need an extra energetic push to anchor this frequency, check out the link in my bio. I'm sending you strength, clarity, and steady acceleration. Your new timeline isn't coming, it's already here. Type I am pure magnetic to lock it in and come back in few weeks to tell me how fast things changed for you, because they will. Love you.